Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. It's early morning here in Fort Myers, Florida, and I thought I'd come out and do a little bit of painting before Rick and I go run some errands and do some things. We're working on a 10 by 20 canvas. My good friend Britta Clayton from Britta Clayton Designs gave me some cool tripods that hang on the side of my table, and I thought I would try a different angle with this today to see if you guys like it. So promise me you'll let me know in the comments below. Yummy colors. But then why would we not use yummy colors? Let's talk about our slop bucket paint first. This was a bunch of Nickel Azo golds and Tri-Art yellow gold. And I wanted a darker flow extender or base coat color. So I added a little bit of Van Dyke brown to it. And you know what? I think I might darken this up a little bit more. I don't know. We'll decide once we pour out our first cup. I might add just a little bit of black to this or raw umber. But the flow extender in the slop bucket paint is a little bit thinner than my pour colors. And these are yummy. This was given to me by one of my students who recently came down and spent a day or so painting with me. This is Folkart Treasure Gold, and this is their Fire Opal. Very pretty, pretty paint. Right here, my fave, Golden Fluids, the Q word in the Nickel Azo Gold. Right here is a combination of golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent gold with just about a half a teaspoon of the Decoart metallics in the 24 karat gold. Bossy lady, you guys know that. So that, excuse me, tones it down a little bit. My Mac paint, that is Arteza, and that is their Bordeaux Red. And our final color is a satin enamel right here, and that is Decoart satin enamel in the neutral beige. When I'm using these warm earth tones, I tend to not want to put the satin enamel and the pure white in because I feel it's too much of a contrast. So how did I mix these paints? Well, everything got a splash of paint. The golden fluids, Nickel Azo gold, and the iridescent gold fine just got about a tablespoon of paint. And then the other paints got about a half an ounce. And then I gave them all a healthy squirt of my GAC 800, stirred that up really good. And then I added about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of Owatrol, which helps to thicken them up. Then I checked their consistencies. The 2 fluid paints were perfect. The Fire Opal, the Arteza Bordeaux Red, and the Satin Enamel were a little too thick. So I gave it another squirt of GAC 800. I didn't have to use any water whatsoever today, but it's okay to use a little bit of water as long as you don't exceed a little bit because it can break down the binders in your paint. We're going to be doing a traveling straight pour. I always screw this up. A traveling straight pour with a jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And we're going to try to leave a good amount of negative space. Not sure how many cups I'm going to do. I'm going to start with 1 kind of along the edge, tilt it. I do 1 cup at a time, and the main reason I do that is because I want to control my composition, and I tilt that first cup until there's almost no movement or very little movement in the paint. That will help when I pour my second cup. The first cup's composition won't move too much. And then I'm very careful about where I place my second cup, because if I get too close to the first composition and I start to jiggle that paint out and it moves into the first cup, it messes up or changes that composition, sometimes for the better. So some tidbits. What else? I think that's it, guys. I'm going to get into the zone with some tunes, put some tunes on for you, and I'm going to do hopefully a pretty painting for you. Glad you're here.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. nuances under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,